Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 10 by 10 inch by 2 inch canvas. And I've just added some Meeden white paint too because my previous attempt showed me that there was stuff in my paint, and I'm hoping that this time they're just bubbles. Either that or all of my white paint is spoiled. I haven't really used it a lot for a long time, but it does seem like it's mostly bubbles, and I'm thinking that I'm going to have a solution by torching. Perfect. I've made up a pan of colors. It's pink diamond and some hot orchid that's now available as jasmine from Primary Elements. It's pigment powder. There's frozen, there's fandango green, there's cerulean blue, there's a little true silver, and I'm going to grab my shovel or my scoop and get rid of that. Get rid of those drips really quickly down over the side. I did already pre-prime the edges. They're beginning to dry already. If you leave the drips, you will see the drips, so get rid of them if you can. I expect to tip. Let me turn that one more time. If I have anything in there at all that I'm not adding with the tweezers, now's the time to get rid of it. Let me grab, like I said, let me grab a shovel. This time I'm going to tip. Tip, and I may even swipe. And I might put some black in here because I haven't got any in here yet. And I'm kind of craving it. But I'm definitely thinking about swiping. I could actually swipe instead of tipping. I've got some Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas that I'm thinking about using to remove the last of the paint from my container. I could also use a comb or a basting brush. Basting brush might be really cool. But I will be using all of my paint. If I can. Alright, those two things can go in the bucket as long as they're completely empty. Scrape, scrape. Do I add the black? I don't know. I think I still want to... Oh, I've got a shovel still. It'll take a second. Still thinking about black. Grab a different... Looks like I got plenty of paint. Last scrape. I'm not as thrilled as I thought I would be, so it's definitely time to give myself permission to do whatever I want. And this is pretty much spent. I'll get rid of those. I have something I can dump paint off into, but I don't think I'm going to need it. just in case, let's give it a shot. See if anything moves. If nothing moves a lot, it is moving. And I like it better. Blow that bubble out. Maybe it's time to swipe. And I've got both white and black selected. Whoops! Wow. Okay. Well, that's par for the course. I guess I'll find that tack. I got it. Ah, before I found my slipper. Slippers being flip-flops. That's cool. I might want the larger card. And I might want some purple too. Dioxazine purple, although I'm really liking that. I'm just going to do it again. Start with the white, Amsterdam white, Aussie Floetrol. Recipes are under the video. Maybe I finally conquered the I don't have enough paint scenario I've been dealing with. I have some gold and I'm going to try it. It's almost time to change the paper underneath my workspace. Let's do the gold and the purple. Still want to do that black. So let's grab a little black. Oh, please come out. We'll grab a different bottle of black. Always wanted to do that. I've got some silver too. And the black is runnier, so it will move paint. It will motivate paint. I'm just going to be ready to make a mess. I've got some orange cell activator, which is nothing more than unicorn spit, added to Aussie Floetrol, which actually worked pretty well. I'm inclined to put some white down first, and maybe some black in between. This is a new little acetate tool I made recently, and I wanted to tell you guys to look for the link underneath the video if you want. I want all of the colors. I have some cerulean blue, I might want to use that too. Got some good colors going over my edges, surprisingly. Wipe that off. I'm inclined to contemplate a basting brush, although I have a comb. The basting brush is a little more gentle. I'm loving the cells. The cells are excellent. I've got, oh, fell down. I've got some magenta cell activator. It's a golden magenta. I think I'm going to stick with the white as a starting place. And go with the purple. I want some black too. I want it all. These are great tools for adding marks also. I can use all of my paint that's falling down over my edges. Where's my black? I keep picking up the wrong bottle. That's that's a little maddening. I'm liking all of that. That's fun. Makes me want to get my blower out, but maybe a straw is a better idea right now. A lot more control with a straw. Well, so far so good. Unless I keep putting my bottles in my way. I think it's time to give myself permission. If I have the right end, yes I do. To add a spiral. Oh yes, that's perfect. Well, I think it's perfect anyway. I really can't have too many spirals. I love them. Almost unconditionally. So make sure you look for that Colour Arte coupon underneath the video because I'm an affiliate, and if you shop Colour Arte, you help me out, and I really, really, really appreciate it. Add a few little flourishes here and there. I like the filaments up here. I have to do Escape soon, something more realistic. But this is all fun. I'm loving it. Let's give it a bit of a torch. And then see if I can see if I'm done spiraling, which I'm obviously not. Yes, I just annihilated a large cell. And I've got paint dripping down my edges and on my tile. And I'm pretty sure it's all going to get used. I wanted it to look a lot like Mother of Pearl, and it has some aspects that are Mother of Pearl-ish. What did I just see that I wanted to do right here? Don't do that after you torch. I just about ruined that. That was not a good thing. Okay, so I don't know which way is the best way up, but I'm loving the pockets of cells. I'm going to turn this off so I can shimmer that at you. And I will contemplate fixing my edges afterwards. There is always the option of blackening them out. Look at that. Oh boy. Look at that shimmer. Look at that. Wow. That's a beauty. Very, very pretty. Now, I said I wasn't going to do that, and then I did it anyway, but I'm trying to just twist it in place so I get a little spiral that's not too messy. Doesn't pull the skim off the surface. Wow. That is gorgeous! I think I did all right. So thank you guys for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I would really appreciate it. I'm trying to shimmer this at you. I'm sorry about the distraction of the red cottage cheese containers. I don't think I need 3 minutes to tell you guys much of anything other than if you shop my links, you help me out. And I think I mentioned that already. My Amazon link is underneath Show More on the link tree, along with Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery is Appreciation Group is a Facebook group for students, and I hope you join us there. I don't always see the membership application for a while, but that's Facebook, not me. All right, I can't fuss anymore, but I'm loving this. This like deserves resin. This is gorgeous, totally gorgeous. Woohoo! And it was fun too, and I needed fun. All right, what did I not tell you so far? I asked for thumbs up, and I told you about the shopping. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I also sell my artwork. If you'd like to make an inquiry, use my email address. It's below Show More underneath the link tree. I've got gooey paint stuck inside my shoe. Sorry, I was distracted. Anyway, I'm trying to get this in position so there's less red cottage cheese lids. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time, and thank you for the compliments and the comments that keep my morale boosted. I got it out of my shoe, yay! This is just tremendous. I'm loving what that Mayan gold looks like. And the cerulean blue with the frozen next to it, and all that cell activator, wow. All right, so I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. If I forgot anything, it's probably that I have 2,400 videos. And if you want to find something, look on my channel and go to playlists, all playlists, created playlists. And if you don't want to do that, just ask me, because I have everything saved by topic and genre. And I'm happy to share my playlist. I saw something that looked like it needed to come out of there. I use GAC 800 in all my paint mixtures. My paint pouring recipes and mixtures are underneath the video. That's the one I almost messed up. I'm going to leave that alone. Not going to try and pull anything out of here. Really cool. Thank you guys for joining me. I know, I do go on. I love you though, and check out the spring clothing below the video, as well as Pixels.com, Fine Art America, Society 6, and Le Gallerist. Le Gallerist is clothing made in Montreal. If you can't find what you're looking for, please just ask me. This would be great on a t-shirt, I think. I really do. Wow. I love this. All right, I will see you guys before I go completely whacked. Too late. I'll see you guys anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.